Hello, LA9. So I am gone today, and here are your instructions. You're going to get a laptop and you're going to get logged in. Today, you are working on your presentations, your 20-time presentations. You really don't need to be working on anything else. You're kind of running out of time. So you have today, you have tomorrow, and you have Monday to create your presentation. Tuesday of next week, we will begin practicing our presentation, and then presentations start on Wednesday. So there's very little time to play around. That being said, just as a reminder, a few things. Here's what I would do. The first point on your screen there shows side-by-side documents. So we talked about this last week, right? If it was me, I would have one document, like a Word document or something where I'm typing what is coming out of my mouth. This is what I'm saying. On the other side, I would have my PowerPoint. So that would be my second document, right? And this is what the audience is seeing. Remember, those two things should not be the same. Your PowerPoint needs to enhance your presentation, not be your presentation. That being said, there should be very few words on the screen, lots of images, pictures, maybe charts, depending on what your research was about, drawings, things like that. Something that will make your audience better understand the things that you're talking about. Don't forget to cite your sources. You need to incorporate those within your presentation. As you're speaking, you're going to talk about your sources. And then also any images that you put within your presentation, you need to cite just the web address on the very last PowerPoint slide. Okay. Now I keep using the term PowerPoint, but remember, you don't have to use a PowerPoint. You can use anything that you're comfortable with. That could be Prezi, that could be just a Word document that you scroll through, whatever you feel like you need to do, but you have to use some kind of enhanced media to meet all of the standards. Okay. The last thing is the learning environment. It needs to be crazy quiet in here today. And you need to have your phones put away. There is no reason to have your phones out. If you need to look things up, you can look it up online. You've got the computer. Okay. Please be respectful of the learning environment. We have very few days left to work on this, and people need the work time, so don't be distracting to someone else. If we have an issue, which I hope we won't, the sub has full permission to take you to the office. They can just send you down there. If they ask you to leave the classroom, you shouldn't question that. You should just go. Finally, you had homework that was supposed to be turned in today. It was the very last mini essay, 15-minute essay. This one was on theme from Romeo and Juliet. I'm obviously not here, so you're going to have to just submit that on Friday. Any other questions? You're going to have to hold them until Friday. Hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.